Hi, it's Stephen Bates here, and today I want to talk about blockchain and reliability and trust. So I'll start off with the statement, another day, another scam. We're seeing an awful lot of scams in the cryptocurrency world, and the cryptocurrency world is built on blockchain, and yet blockchain is supposed to be building trust and reliability. So what's going on there? Well, I think there are two things. Firstly, trust does not equal reputation. Just because a system is trustworthy in the sense that it's consistent and immutable doesn't mean that A, the data that's put on it is correct, or B, that the parties involved can be relied on in the real world to be fair and honest. What you get with a blockchain is two things. Firstly, you get a tamper-proof record, which means that the data that is added to the blockchain a year ago is still the same a year later. It can't be altered, so nobody can sneak in and change a few bits here and there and thereby change the meaning of the data that's on there. So that's point one. And point two is the consensus protocol is trust building in the sense that all the parties involved know what is going on. It's all explicitly defined, and no individual party can arbitrarily decide to change the rules. It's not like, for example, Instagram or LinkedIn, where when the guys over there decide they're going to change the algorithm that they use for promoting posts, suddenly something that worked really, really well and got you lots of views on your post doesn't work anymore. So you don't see that kind of thing in blockchain. The consensus protocol is sort of basically laid down in stone, and it takes almost everybody to agree in order to make even the slightest change. So there you have it, immutable data and well-defined protocols in order to add data to the system mean that you know what's going on. But this is just the technology, and of course the technology is used by people, and people come in all sorts of shapes and sizes and levels of morality. So just to add on top of that, the fact that blockchain is new means that it's the Wild West. It's like the internet in the early days: spam, bad advertising, all sorts of problems. Or stocks in the early days, insider trading, lots of problems. All right back to the Wild West that I mentioned earlier, with people just going out there, lawlessness, people staking land claims, gold rushes, and all sorts of craziness going on. Anytime something new comes along, there's a certain character trait in humanity that raises its head, and you end up with trouble. And then eventually it settles down and things get regulated or self-regulated, and it all starts becoming less chaotic. So there you go, that's my take on blockchain trust and reliability. Hope you found it interesting, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.